Hello friends, today we will study DREF 2000 spinning system. We have already studied different DREF spinning systems, DREF 1, DREF 2, DREF 3, and now we will study DREF 2000 spinning system. I have taken this topic from two books. One is New Spinning System by R.V. Mahendra Gowda, IIT Delhi, and second is Manual of Spinning, Volume 6, Alternate Spinning Systems by H. Tolder. So this machine was introduced in 1999, and it employs a classic DREF spinning system. We have already studied DREF 2 spinning system. So this employs the same spinning principle. It involves rotating carding drum with sawtooth, and this opening roller or carding drum is opening the sliver to a single fiber stage, as it is covered with sawtooth clothing, so it is doing the opening very well. And then specially designed inlet system for sliver retention is there in this spinning machine, DREF 2000. After that, fibers are stripped from the carding drum by centrifugal force and carried into nip of two perforated drums. And to ensure it, there is a blower. Blower ensures this operation, and the cloud of the fibers formed between the drums. There is suction in the drums, which draws fibers into convergent region between the drums. So this blower ensures the fiber reaches the region between the two drums. So we are introducing a seed yarn also, which is continuously withdrawn also. So fibers are twisted by mechanical friction on the surface of the drums, because drums are having suction. So fibers are coming in the convergent region, and yarn is also rotated. These drums are rotating also, and there is suction also. That's why the yarn is rotated, and it is continuously withdrawn. So the fibers are coming also and joining the yarn, and fibers are twisted by due to friction between the metal and the fibers. There is slippage also, that but even then the twisting takes place. So in this case, the machine can produce S and Z twist without mechanical alteration to the machine. As you know, in textiles, we are having requirement of S and Z twist as per the requirement of the fabric to be produced. So in this case, the provision is given, and it is easy to have a changeover from Z to S twist and ZS to Z twist without mechanical alteration. Means it is easier to change the twist direction in this machine. So yarns of 14 English cotton count can be spun. So up to 14 count we can spun the yarn, and production speed of 250 meters per minute can be achieved. So these are the features of DREF 2000 spinning system. And this slide shows you the specifications of the machine DREF 2000. So machine is coming in the spinning position 6 to 64. Delivery speed maximum is 250 meters per minute. Raw material which can be used is cotton, wool, and bast fibers. Synthetic fibers can also be used. Count, we can spin up to 14 count. So we are feeding the card slivers. So feedstock is card sliver, and we can produce a yarn package of a weight up to 8 kg. So yarn type, that what are the yarn properties? The yarn is having the character of open end yarn. It also resembles woolen spun yarn, and it is generally round and even. So these are the features of the yarn. End use, that where we can use this yarn, we can use this yarn in home textiles, blankets, carpets, recycling products. So this machine can be used very well by recycling industry. Means where the old textile products are again converted into yarn and fabric to recycle the material. Advantages are that this is very good for spinning of waste material. Means if we make sliver of any kind of waste, it may be cotton, it may be wool, it may be any other fiber, then we can feed this sliver to this machine, and we can spin a yarn out of this. And after carding, we don't, this machine directly gives us the cross-wound package. So it is a shortcut process. It is economical also. And that's why the special features are, it is good for recycling industry. So we can produce fancy yarns, coarse spun yarns can also be produced. And what are the advantages and disadvantages of this machine? Advantages are high delivery speed and low cost Zen ring frame, a very smooth yarn appearance, and low wrapper fibers. Wrapper fibers are very low. These are the advantages. Disadvantages are, it is difficult to keep the spinning conditions constant, and very high consumption of the air is required in this case. And the yarn produced by this DREF spinning system is having high snarling tendency, which may create problem in the forthcoming process of knitting or weaving. The yarn strength is also less than the ring spun yarn. So these were the advantages and disadvantages of the yarn produced by the DREF 2000 machine. So with this, I finish my lecture, and we will continue our lecture. On the next turn, we will study DREF 3000 spinning system. Thank you.